as queen, you left your ears in your father's house.
Must every word that comes from your mouth be filled with venom?
And must every action of yours reflect the fact that you want your son on my throne so badly you are willing to trade my life for it? Huh?
You're my husband. Why must you say such about me?
Because I know all there is to know about you. You're a snake filled with venom and anxious to acquire more. My wife. Don't put those filthy fingers on me, please.
I am your wife, your queen.
On paper, yes, but that's about all. I am perfectly willing to allow you keep your position as my queen, but please stay away from me.
What about my needs as a woman?
Your needs as a woman. Her needs as a woman. All you have ever needed from me this past few years has been my throne. And you know that. And listen, I am not willing to relinquish it. Not yet. And by the way, if this is all you've come here to talk about, let me advise you. Go and find something good to occupy yourself with. Please, and just leave me alone. Oh, by the way, take that silly crown off your head. Please go.
You have humiliated me one too many times.
And that's because you've never conducted yourself like a queen. Look, I'm busy. Please, give me a break. Please, 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 please.
My children, are you sure you don't want to eat anything? I've freshly prepared apple and orange soup.
No, ma, we are fine.
You city people are very funny. You'll be dying of hunger, you say you're fine.
Actually, we're fine. We had something before we left Enugu.
Jehovah. Enugu? You mean you still have that in your stomach? Impossible. You must eat.
Sincerely, ma, we are fine. Maybe when Uncle comes back, we might just contemplate.
She says so. But I'm going to prepare it. And you eat it when you're ready.
Okay, that's a good idea. Thank you. Excuse me. How long before Uncle returns from the meeting?
Very soon. Very soon he'll be back. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Very soon. That was the same thing she said before the banana and groundnut. Hey, that's not funny. That was like 3 hours ago.
I don't know.
My children, I hope all is well. I have fresh okpa. Very fresh okpa. Should I bring it?
Thank you so much, ma. You have been really kind, but we're fine with these ones.
Okay.
Hey, are you sure you don't want them?
No.
Don't pretend.
Banana.
Don't pretend. Just say that.
You need to make him. If he does not lie with you, the charm won't work. I am telling you that I have used all the things that you gave me. And that pig always counters it.
I'm sure she must be the one that told him not to touch me.
I will send something to you. You will birth with it. And your word will become law.
Will it kill him?
Not really. Do you care?
Makes no difference. My bed has been cold for too long. Your power is getting stronger by the day.
I learned from the best. Your father.
It excites me. I want to feel the power.
Very soon. Very, very soon, my love.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow. Sit down, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down. Oh, I'm so sorry. We had an emergency. It was a meeting I could not leave. Joblessness has made our youth restive. You see, we just averted a major war.
I'm so glad to hear that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. How may I help you and your husband?
Thank you, sir. Actually, we...
Hey, where are my manners? You have to take something before we continue. My wife here makes the best oha soup I've ever tasted. I think she must have to bring it for us at least. You to take something before we continue.
Sir, some other time. Some other time.
Right now, before we say anything.
We've had a lot of things. Some other time, please. We really need to speak to you about a whole lot of issues, and then we go get a hotel to spend the night.
Hotel in this part of the world. It will take you 2 hours to drive to a hotel. 2 hours.
Oh my God, but we didn't know that.
There is no problem. You can pass the night here. I have enough rooms. Now, tell me, what brings you to Amadede?
She was not a virgin.
No, she was not. My father did for her what I am about to do for the princess. He chose the wrong bride for the prince. A few weeks later, my father died. Naji, by the next Afro market, joined his ancestors.
How?
Nobody knows. His body was never found. But then, she had already become the queen.
What is it, mother?
Pestilence. Pestilence. ndị mbụ na ndị egede, ndị tala ọkpụkpụ na ndị tala ulu. Obeisance.
I know where he is. I will direct you in the morning.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'd like to know a lot of things. Is he married? Maybe other kids?
My child, a story is never too long for the storyteller. It is the listener who bears the burden of listening.
Exactly why we came, sir. We do not mind the burden of listening.
It is not in my place to tell. All you need to know will come from your father when you meet him tomorrow morning.
Can't we go to his house tonight?
That will be difficult.
I don't understand. Why would it be difficult? Or does he live in another village?
He is here, but he's not here.
I don't think we get you, sir.
Cyprian, your father, is in Ihembosi. And that's why I told you that the story is his to tell.
Where and what is Ihembosi?
In the forest of the deity Ozokwor.
Deity?
Well, I don't think you have much of a choice now because he's...
I see you, harbinger of chaos. The feast of death has no place here. Elders.
Ijala, We were about to send for you.
I am here now.
Ijele, the king is sick.
Where is he? I need to see him.
And why would that be?
Because I am his priestess.
His priestess. Did you hear that? Priestess to the king and not to the people. And where were you when they needed you most? Where were you?
Your Majesty, there is no harm in the priestess going to see the king.
Whatever you say, my elders.
This is it. You cross this river, and over there, you will find your way.
Oga, please. I want to go. Please.
Just wait a while. We'll come out right now and we'll go together.
Hold on, where? Oga, please. Since yesterday, I have not complained. God in heaven knows that I have not complained. This is a shrine, please. I'm quite convinced. I want to go, please. Please.
Please, just be a little bit patient with us. We
pay what? Okay, fine. If you don't want to pay my money, please, there's no problem. Eat the money. I want to go.
Please. Hold on, my son. Wait. Hold on, my son. I advise you let him go. I will send someone from the village to come and pick you once you see Cyprian. Yeah? He will be packed out here waiting.
All right. Thank you, sir.
So, Uncle, are you not coming with us?
No. It is forbidden. Nobody from our kindred can venture in there to see him.
How are we sure he's still alive?
He is. He is. Eh? Good luck.
Thank you, Uncle.
Go back.
We're alone now. Are you sure you still want to continue this journey with me?
Of course. I didn't come all this way to chicken her right now, did I? Do I look like a chicken?
That was intended to make me smile, right?
And it worked. All right.
Okay, so...
Listen now, can go in.
You did that to him?
How dare you? Don't forget your place, or I'll have your head on the stake. Do whatever it is you have come here to do and get out. Ijele. You will support my son's ascension to his father's throne?
Even when there's a living king?
What king? You support him, or your father's sins will become yours. And of course, they are already yours. Morons!
standing there moping at me? Were you eavesdropping? Did you hear what I told her? You're sure you didn't? So what are you standing there doing? Huh? Get out! Get out! What's I say to them? Go! Stupid. All of them are getting fat and robust from my food. They do nothing but sit down here and eat. If I rise, they will rise. If I sit, they will sit.
How long will it take you to heal the king?
There is nothing I can do.
God forbid. Ijele, what do you mean? Are you saying the king is dying?
My elders, please let us be calm. I do not think we should be quick to judge Ijele's inability to save the king's life. This morning, I brought in a team of medical doctors, baffled at this strange ailment. If Ijele is as confused as the team of medical doctors were, then the obvious thing to do is to crown my son, the prince, to hold on to his father's stool until his condition improves.
Wise elders, I agree with what the queen has said, that the throne should not be left vacant. I also admit that this ailment is beyond me. But I do not think we should be in a hurry to replace a living king. That in itself is a sacrilege, and the gods of this land would never accept that. Never!
My elders, I am confused. Ijele says she cannot heal our beloved king who is lying in that room in pains. Yet, she says my son cannot hold forth for his father. In the same breath, she says the throne cannot remain vacant. Which one do you want us to accept, great priestess?
Ijele Wani, the queen has a strong point. What exactly do you advise we do?
We do nothing.
We do nothing?
We wait until Ifechukwu gets here.
Ifechukwu, the great Dibia from Arochukwu, is that one? But I thought it was said he died years ago.
He leaves, and he will be here soon.
I don't think this is the right way.
I don't know. But every other part seemed wrong. I just have the feeling that we should be going this way. Come on, you're doing well. You've done well so far. Let's just try.
What is it?
Huh?
I thought I heard something.
You heard something from where? I didn't hear anything. I think this might just be the spot Ichunemaga asked us to wait.
Kamsi, I don't have your kind of patience. I'm sure if you were asked to wait here all night, you would.
Well, for the right reasons, yes, but certainly not in a place like this.
Jesus! What? Who do you seek? Speak.
My father.
And who might your father be?
Cyprian.
Odum?
Yes, Odum.
He has been expecting you. Come. Come.
And you still have not given me reasons to tell you where she is.
Old man, why are you being so aggressive? Why? I already told you who I am.
And I already told you that your father's kingdom does not extend to this land. I am a freeborn of this land. And the recap chief. You will not come to my house to intimidate me. Mbano! Hey!
I am not here to intimidate you. No one. What would you say if I told you that Ma is my wife?
And I will call you a liar. Wait a minute. Were they coming to attack me? To attack me in my own home?
Please take it easy, please.
Did you not see the peace coming towards me? Hey!
I apologize. Go to the car. Once again, I apologize. But if I may ask, why did you call me a liar for saying that Ma is my wife?
Because I know the husband. They came here together and both of them slept in that room. They slept in that room. Hey!
Now it is my turn to call you a liar. Ma is my wife. I am her husband. I am her one and only husband.
The old man heard you the first time. Why are you shouting?
What did you just say? Get out. Get out. Get out! Now!
And now, leave my house.
Where is my wife?
I said leave my house.
Where is my wife?
It is okay, my prince. It's okay.
There's no need to fight over Ma's whereabouts. Onyeze here says he won't tell you, so let him be. My prince, please excuse us. I want to have a word with Onyeze before we leave.
No problem.
Onyeze, sir, can we please see inside? Let's go. Onyeze, sir, please, I'm very sorry about everything that happened out there.
I am not Onyeze. My name is Ichie Nnemeka.
Every man is a king in his own home, so he's an Onyeze.
Thank you. If you don't have any other thing to say, leave my house.
Sorry, I can't do that.
What do you mean? That you can't do that? Eh? I said leave my house.
I will only do that when you tell me the whereabouts of the girl.
Actually, I thought that you are the only same person amongst them. Now, leave my house.
Nine, leave our house.
The slowness of the snail does not reveal its impatience. So, the girl, where is she?
Leave my house. My friend, leave my house.
I should leave your house.
Yes.
Leave my house.
Adema.
What is he doing to them in there?
I don't know, and I don't care.
How can you say you don't care? Do you know why that man was excommunicated for our community? He used children to make charms. Blood of innocent children. I heard he murdered over 15 children, pounded them in a mortar just to make a paste for a charm. And you're standing here telling me that you don't know. What kind of human being?
None of that is my business. Do you understand? None! Now, I don't care what he did or what he didn't do. It's no business of mine. All I am concerned about is getting this curse lifted. Get that into your head.
Oh, gosh. You're an animal and I hate you.
Shut up! Hey! Get down! Down! You listen. The next time you talk back at me will be your last. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
No, I didn't hear you say sorry.
Sorry.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, my prince.
Did they tell you anything?
Everything that was to be said was said to me.
Good. We move. Get up. Get up!
Sorry. Please. Are we not there yet?
Soon.
Soon.
Come.
Hey. That was the same thing he said an hour ago. I'm tired. I don't think I can continue on this journey anymore. I'm tired.
Believe me, you're not half as tired as I am. We don't have a choice, we just have to continue. Okay. Come.
Come where?
Right here. I'll carry you the rest of the way.
Don't worry. I'm alright, okay? You don't have to do that. I just need to rest a little. I'll be fine.
I wasn't asking for your opinion, huh? Let's go.
Kamsi, you know I hate it when you try to boss me.
Alright. Sorry. Get on before I change my mind. See, do this waiting over there. Let's go.
If you insist.
Please get that for me. Don't worry. I'm the man. No matter how heavy you are. Yeah.
Hey, hey. Are you sure you can do this? I don't want to fall and hurt myself.
Don't worry. I'll deal with you when we get home.
You wish. Now, move.
The Queen, my lord.
Yes, mother. I understand, mother. I do. My mother wants to have a word with you.
Achalugo wine. Abaladu mana kwudie n'iru. Ocheze. Has he arrived? There is nothing he can do. What is done is done. Good. That's fine. Use the black eggs. It won't fail. No. It won't fail this time. It will not. Yes. Oh, Cheze. Prince, here. Let's go. Ayelele mama, ayelele mama. Ebegu welo so bia yili mo, ayelele mama, mama, ayelele mama. Ugogu welo so bia yili mo, ayelele mama, mama, ayelele mama. Udenegu welo so bia yili mo, ayelele mama, mama, ayelele mama.
back here! Come back here!
Prince, let them be. They are of no use here.
I am sure you heard him. Get down. Now.
Wait. We need to be careful. We need to be very careful.
See, I have waited long enough. I need to know.
No, you go.
Yeah.
Who are you? I might be cursed, but not dead. Who are you?
I know we are not supposed to barge in on you like this.
You are not supposed to come here. Nobody is supposed to come here. It is prohibited.
It's your Nemeka sentence.
Nemeka is not stupid to send you to this cursed place.
Except one who equally carries a curse.
What do you want?
Not what. Who? A man long said to be dead.
There are so many of them here. With Ozokwor as dead to the world. On at the mercy of an unforgiving deity. Which one do you want?
Cyprian. Odom.
Cyprian. I am not your father.
No. Looks like it's going to rain today.
Yes, it will rain blood. Hide till I ask you to come out.
Are you not going to be needing this?
Not now. Hurry for the ride on the back of you.
Get up! Get up!
My elders, we need to tread carefully. If news about our king's incapacitation leaks out, neighboring towns like Oji, Ugwoba, and Ekulu will encroach into our lands. We must remain the strong community that we have always been.
And we shall continue to be. The king is yet alive. There shall be no feast for the vultures tonight.
And where is your Dibia Ijele? Where is he?
I am Ozokwor. Elders, Ifechukwu Kwado of Aruchukwu. I am at your service, my queen. I'm sorry for the delay, but nature's call cannot be ignored. Where is the king?
Ifechukwu Kwado, this way.
Odum na gegu. Oshim jabe na egu adigi. Hey! Ndidi kokodem. Hey, everybody.
Now we wait.
From a very long line of priestesses.
My mom?
Yes. Your grandmother ran away before the completion of her ordination as a priestess of Oshimele.
Why?
She fell in love. She fell in love and defied all. But then, Mistakenly, she took his life.
How did that happen?
The son of the mountain lion has come to take that belongs to him. Ekema, what did he do to you?
You fool. Don't you know when to appease the god of madness? Depart before you are struck down where you stand. You will be hanged for this insolence. The name of your village will be a story told by old women to their younglings. Oshimli, he rests. But we must hurry before the river returns from its journey to Uru. The ritual for your priesthood must be completed.
No!
Wise one, when can we expect that our king will be well?
The Obu, bed of death, was once asked why he enjoyed announcing death to a dying man. And then he said, we were all created by our chi for different things.
Wise one, you confuse us. We don't understand.
I beg your forgiveness, my brothers. Okay. Old age sometimes makes us talk in circles.
I still do not understand. Are you saying you lack the ability to heal the king?
Yes. Another does.
What do you mean by another does? We're not in here for games, old man.
At my age, games do not exist. Another will heal the king. His light is not yet ready to be extinguished.
So, who is this other mysterious Dibia?
Your son. Only your son's blood can heal his father. So, where is your son?
Dumbe suzo. Obuzali nkana achotulu ni acho. Atoba ichikufu. Atoba si ichikufu. Ojije ka okuma.
Hurry up.
She's here. I can smell her.
Ma! Ma!
And what do you want?
And who might you be?
I should have asked the same question, but your arrogance preceded you.
You must be the idiot who has been going around parading himself as my wife's husband. My wife!
I am nobody's wife. What do you want?
Baby, I've been looking for you everywhere. I've been so worried.
Yeah, so worried, and it took you almost a month to come looking for me.
Listen, I can explain.
Look, mister, whatever excuse you have, she is not buying. So turn around and get out.
Ma, you better keep your dog on a leash or I will put him down.
Or you will do what? Not even in your dreams, mommy's boy.
Don't even dare. Just go. Go.
I am not going anywhere except I'm living with you. You are my wife and I am your husband. And I'm taking you away from this godforsaken place.
Why don't you quit the bloody dramatics and tell her why you are here?
Oh, you shut up. Shut!
What is she talking about?
Just ignore her.
Wait. Who are you?
She's my cousin.
What? Shut your lying mouth. Look, I'm his wife. And we are here because whatever power you possess has taken his ability to be a man and supposedly made me barren.
What is she talking about? What?
I'm just repeating what the priestess said.
So, you were married and you came here to deceive me.
Listen, it's not as it seems. I didn't want to. They forced me.
They forced me. They also forced you to have sex with me.
You are so dead.
Please.
You disgust me. Kamsi, take me away from here.
Ma.
That would be my pleasure.
Hey. I warned you to keep out of this.
Or what, big man?
My prince?
Or you will perish for what you know nothing about. Huh. I see you are his bodyguard, huh? Onyeze, I am his voice when he loses his strength when he spells him. I am the harbinger of death that brings fear to the non-initiate. I am Agotrumbe. I see. Onyeze, you are sick. You need help. Let's go. A child who longs to learn the Strugede dance forgets that it is the dance of the spirit. I will swallow you whole. I am Agotrumbe, the scourge of the 14th dance of Agwagu, the viper's venom, the bar-headed vulture that leads others to the feast of the dead. I will be the last thing you will see before death welcomes you to his gold embrace.
Leave him alone!
Move away, or you will join him.
You do not scare me!
I promise you. I promise you, you will beg for your dear life.
Not while I am still alive.
No matter what kind of of Millie Lady and Golena will follow. About more movable Bobo saw, a big will hold chili. Ask my Bacalum and a column name. Our column and a column name. I bought that kind of watch. Come on, like a double one. Come on, like a double one.
Who is that?
Your Majesty.
What do you want?
Your Majesty, your food is ready.
So?
Your Majesty, please can we set the table?
Did I tell you guys I was hungry? Did I?
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, we thought...
You thought?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what happens when slaves think. Get out. Get out! I said get out!
Your Majesty.
Get out!
I'm sure you can find your way back from here.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Please, sorry about your uncle and his wife.
It wasn't your fault.
Hey, look. I think we're there.
What's that?
What? Honestly, I don't know. But whatever it is, it looks like it was kept for a good reason.
It looks very old.
Yeah, too old. I don't get this. Something just doesn't seem right about this whole thing, this place. I'm so confused. Where are we going?
Yeah. Everywhere just looks like a ghost town.
A ghost town indeed. Like nobody to ask anything. Good day, sir. We
They are waiting for you.
Who awaits me, old one?
What you seek awaits you. And what you know cannot be compared with what we learn. Come with me, Dr. Foshimle.
Daughter of Oshimele.
I greet you, my elders.
Welcome home. The disappearance of your grandmother, my daughter, was the worst thing that happened to the 9 villages that makes up Amitenani. We searched for her. Towns far from here that took her in were razed to their very roots by our warriors. Indeed, it was sad times, for we knew that her running away will spell our doom.
9 villages. I don't understand. I thought she was just a priestess of this village.
The villages known as Amitenani were under siege for a very long time by Bini headhunters. The village heads came together and sought the help of the great river deity Oshimili, who in turn asked for 9 maidens from the 9 villages. They were to be given as a sacrifice. The one who returned becomes the priestess of the 9 villages. Ours was returned and thereafter became the priestess. The Bini headhunters never returned. The 9 villages prospered, for with the presence of the priestess came blessings never experienced.
Until my grandmother changed it.
Yes, for love. The priestess is allowed to choose a man to father a child, but not marry. For every priestess of Oshimili born to another priestess, Idemili is her home.
And if I choose not to stay, will you stop me from leaving?
No. The burden is yours and mine. My curse for losing your grandmother is life in this shriveled old skin until another replaces her. Our 9 villages are desolate, but your presence has given hope to us. The choice remains yours.
You're not saying anything. Say something.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. Maybe let's go or something.
Would you advise me to leave?
Yes, I would.
I'm ready.
Mother, you are not saying anything. Mother!
Stop shouting, I'm thinking.
And what do you want?
My queen, the elders await you and the prince in the king's chamber.
Did they also ask you to carry us on your heads?
No, my queen.
Now get out. Get out!
Mother, what do we do?
Idemile Oshimiyatata Idemile
Oshimiyatata
Idemile
Oshimiyatata
What type of game is this?
We don't understand, wise one.
I asked for the son of the king. And the son of the king you were giving. My son, the prince. This might be a prince. Certainly, he's not the son of this king. It's not.
Oh, mother. You whipped and beheaded for this insolence, old man.
My tongue would not stop telling the truth. You are not his son. How dare you?
Old one, are you sure you are not mistaken?
As sure as I am that death is for all men, I have done my job here. If the blood is not found, he will pass on before the sun sets tomorrow.
Wait. You can use his blood.
What? What is the meaning of this?
Guards!
Hold on, Your Majesty.
What should I hold on? I want this witch and her stupid son thrown out of here now.
All in good time. But we insist we hear from her.
Why would you want that?
A man's impotence is best discussed behind closed doors. Ijele, why would you want the blood of your son to be used?
Because the king is his father.
That's incredible! You lying witch! Blatant liar! And you stupid man, why are you nodding your stupid head? You want to believe this witch? Don't you know she's lying? Can you prove it? Can you? And you lying witch, you, don't worry, I will deal with you yet again. Guards! Guards!
Daughter of Oshimili, this is the crossroad to the 9 villages that makes Amitenani. You will cleanse them like your forebears did, bless them, and take their burdens away.
Is what you just said true?
Yes, old one.
Liar! Blatant liar. You will choke on the bile from your foul lying mouth.
Silence, woman!
Did you just scream at me? You stupid old man?
Yes, and shut up!
If you get
What? One more word from you again, I will lock you out of this room. You are a wife in this palace, yes, a queen, but still a wife. If you don't comport yourself, comport yourself. Wise one, what do we do?
That the millipede has 100 legs does not make it a great wrestler.
True what?
That our daughter Jele is a priestess does not mean she's one with truth. So let's wait. Ojofa?
Yes, wise one.
Uncover the king. Come. Stand here. hold his feet. Wake him. I don't understand. I say wake him. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, please wake up.
Oh man, wake.
Father, please wake up.
Mbakaraga mozo. Mana ọzọ ya ana. Eje ana bụ isi ije. Dibịa gwara ovu mana ovu bụ dibịa. Ịgwa ada atụ abụ obulu ụzọ. Osi kwuchula ezi na na-apa mma. Anya ada abịa egwu anya bụ egwu abụ ndị mmụọ. Ndị ochi ada akọzigbo ọ bụ n'enu nkwụ. Ọkọsi aja ọta mmanwụ. Agwọ na-eje nga. Agwọ na-atụ mbe. Mmapụ na-egbu awụ. Ekene m unu. Ekene m unu. Ekene m unu. Daalụ unu. Ngwa kulite.
I do not know much about what you are, but I've been told that you are a deity of love and protection. I have come to ask that you grant me one wish and one wish alone. Give Ma back her life. Give her life. And take mine. Please. Please. Take my life. Take my life, and I promise I will serve you forever.
Why didn't you tell me that this boy is my son?
Your Highness, I did not want to burden you with all that.
My own blood being a burden to me?
You mean you actually slept with this thing?
Yes, I did. Ernest. On the night of my purification, I found love in the arms of this beautiful priestess. As you all know, the presence of a beautiful woman is a challenge to manhood. I couldn't give her my love because I had already given that to my queen here. I slept with her, but what I did not know was that that night of bliss produced a son.
How could you be so blind? This thing you call bliss actually killed your father.
I know, but it was a mistake. She has already confessed to me, and I have forgiven her.
Your Highness, I plead that you forgive me one more thing. As the priestess of Abara, lying with any man means that the man can never father another child through any other woman.
Which means that since this young man here was fathered by you, my lord, none other can come from your loins.
Which also means that the prince here is not your son.
Liars! Traitors! You will not get away with this. You will all die!
Take your mother now and live here.
Is it done?
No, something is wrong.
But I did everything you asked me to.
Yes, you did.
What is he doing there?
He gave his life for yours, his soul for yours, his being for yours. Selflessly he gave, and Oshimili received.
Please, I beg you. No. Take me instead. I will do anything you want me to do.
Daughter of Oshimili, we have done all we can. We must leave.
No! I am Ekema, daughter of Agboma, priestess of Oshimili. I have traversed the 7 rivers and the 7 towns of the spirit. I lay claim to him because I am one with the gods. Give him back to me. Give him back to me, or no one will remember you for your goodness, but the sadness that my soul will bleed into your waters today. Give him back to me, and I, offspring of the mother deity, Oshimili, will pronounce your goodness to the 9 kingdoms of our might and hand.
Peace for the priestess of Oshimili has atoned for the deeds of our forebears. Peace. Oshimili, 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 Oshimili.
Arosi tambe kofu zogunanya, arosi tambe kofu zogunanya, ogini kangeme arakumbe funanya, oburom melugo kofu zogunanya. She is pure.
My son and his bride. When I was Hey! I was
God will punish you today.
I miss you too.
I missed you.
How are you?
Me? Whoa, I'm good. You?
I'm good.
Okay.
So how did it go?
Oh, it went smoothly. Yes. They had no choice but to give the contract to your husband.
Oh my God, I don't believe this. Come here.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I knew it. I just knew this was going to happen. I knew they'll have no choice. You know why?
Why?
Because I have you as my lucky charm.
You can see that again.
I love you.
I love you too. Ouch.
My little angel, come here. How are you?
Missing you as usual, especially because today is her birthday.
Oh yes, I know. I know, and you know what? I have a big surprise for you.
Oh, are you serious? What is that?
Someone's at the door. Eric, go get the door.
Hey, Jesus! Greatest Ekema, daughter of Oshimele, offspring of Aboma.
Who are you?
I am a Magi priest from one of the clans, the 9 clans that makes up Almighty 9.
What do you want?
I came to felicitate with the priestess.
Are you kidding me? Hey, listen. There is no priestess in my house. My wife was freed by Oshimele herself. So get out.
I know.
So if you know, why are you here?
To pay obeisance to the young priestess, Akweke.
No.